Morning, my name is Makama Biarangtala. Now I want to show you how to change a case from multi-locality EA to a multi-EA locality. This is a situation where probably you realize initially you thought that the locality is a multi-locality EA. Then after maybe completing a particular EA, you are now realizing that the locality is going to be made up of maybe 2 or 3 EAs. So definitely you have to edit your initial position on putting that case as a multi-locality EA. So how to do that, how to quickly change the multi-locality EA to a multi-EA locality is by, first of all, you go to your incomplete cases because you are not done. Then you check from the drop down list of your incomplete exercise. Once if you have created a case, it reflects as an incomplete case, and definitely it will be named as exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, as long as it is an incomplete case. Not until you have completed it, then it's going to show, or you've put the name of the EA after wrapping up the EA, is then that it changes from an incomplete case to a complete case. Okay, and it's no longer going to carry that exercise 4 or 2 or 3 or 1. It's going to carry the name of the EA, because by then, before you wrap up, you're supposed to put the name of the EA. And as you can see, all the incomplete cases that we're having here is having a red bar at the top, okay, or a red tag. All right, as long as it is incomplete, it's going to be carrying this red tag, and if it is complete, it's going to carry the gray tag, and it's not going to be on this folder. It's going to go to the folder of what? Complete cases. Let me just scroll back a little and show you. You see complete cases or complete case folder is going to be here on this very folder, this one that is showing complete case beside the incomplete cases. So let's quickly go back and do that which I wanted to show you. That means changing the case from multi-locality EA to a multi-EA locality. All you need to do is to click. You see, if you check, you will see on exercise 4, you will see open case. That means if you want to open it, you see edit case details, add new locality, view new case summary. So all these ones, it has its functions, but now we want to edit the case. That means we want to change it. So all you need to do is to click on edit case details. You see, it's going to take you to a window where you can change the EA attribute. So as you can see here, you go to EA structure and click on it. If you click on it, it's going to show you the drop down list to select. So already you will change it. Maybe initially it's on this, that's multi-locality EA, and you realize that it's a multi-EA locality. You see, all you need to do is to click on the EA structure and check the drop down list and select an option, which is what? Multi-EA locality. Then you click it. You see, it's multi-EA locality. Same way, if it is a standalone, you realize that it's a standalone. Maybe initially you put a multi-EA locality. You can equally click on standalone You see the structure of the EA, that means it's a standalone. And what we mean by a standalone EA, it is when the whole locality makes one EA, at least it has met the threshold of 450 and it completes the whole buildings and everything in that locality. That's when you term it as standalone EA. Okay, but now we are changing it from multi-locality EA to multi-EA locality because we realize that we are going to make more than one EA in such a locality. So now that we're done, so we now scroll to the changes. Sorry, scroll up or scroll down. We're going to scroll down. Once if you scroll down, once if you scroll down, then you now update EA attribute. Once if you click on this, it will update it automatically. That means yes, we are accepting. Always remember, once if you effect any changes after editing your EA attributes, you make sure all the informations are correct. At times maybe due to when you're scrolling, you might mistakenly change an information. You have to quickly make sure you check and make sure each information is put correctly. Okay, so you see the locality, then you go, there you go, you scroll down, you see update attribute, update EA attribute. Once if you click on it, make sure you read the information there. So you see, notice you are about to update this EA attribute. Yes, update, because that's what we wanted to do. You see, we have updated it. So that is how you change a case from multi-locality EA to multi-EA locality. Thank you.